Diwali. So, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I should do something for my young kids. So I have a lot of young students like 4 to 6 years. So I thought I should do something for them for this Diwali. So they can make some Diwali card or something. So I choose this picture of diyas and I choose oil pastels. Usually I prefer oil pastel for this age group. So my students are doing wonderfully with this medium. So as you can see, I simply drew this diya and I did outline with black sketch pen. Then for light of diya, I choose orange and yellow color. You can see I am doing shading of both these colors. This is a very good medium for kids and adults all. You can see a lot of work of oil pastels in my FB page. I am using a lot of oil pastels, and in my YouTube channel also I did many videos of oil pastels, some for kids and some for adults also. So if you like, please you can go and you can check. And right now I am using chrome yellow. I did some landscape, some Buddha in my YouTube videos, and many adults are learning oil pastels. So they are very happy with this medium, and you don't need to carry all the time color, water, brushes. With dry medium, you can make beautiful paintings. So if you can explore this medium. So right now I am using blue color. You can choose any color, just basically I want to make colorful diya for Diwali, so I choose blue. You can take green also, red also, whatever colors you want. Right now I am using light green. I love all the dry mediums, oil pastels, soft pastels, charcoal, color pencils. There are a lot of scope to explore in all these mediums. Especially for kids, this is very good because colors comes so vibrant. In pencil colors, they need to give a lot of effort, but these give very nice effect. Right now I'm using red. As I told you, you can choose any color. I want to make it colorful. If you are making some card, you can add one diya, some gift, or maybe candle, or maybe something related to Diwali. Some crackers you can add. My kids, students made beautiful cards of Diwali. Maybe I will post in my FB page, that is Homecraft Creations. Right now I'm using light green color. I am using all the festival colors. Like Diwali, it's related. I am using yellow, orange, blue, red, I'm not using brown or black color. And for background, I'm going to take three colors: yellow, orange, and red. So if kids are so young, so you can make lines also. You can divide into three parts so that they can do easily. Friends, there are very many videos in watercolor, soft pastels, charcoal, oil pastels, acrylics. If you like, you can please subscribe my channel, and you can, if you can try many paintings, and if you have any doubt, you can message me, you can comment. If you want to learn anything and you want to learn, please comment in the comment box so that I can, if possible, I will try to make some videos for that. Some of my watercolor videos and pencil color videos are about to come. Already it's done, only some editing part is left, so I hope you will get soon. Right now I am doing orange. Still yellow part is left. It's not over. I am doing in sleeping way. When area is bigger, so mostly I am in background. I am trying to do in sleeping way in one direction, and I am trying not to leave white space, because usually what happen, if kids are doing in background, they used to do strokes in all directions to finish it fast. So you can see it should be in one direction, and you can see my strokes, mostly it is going on in horizontal way. You can choose any one direction, either vertical also you can do, but it should be in one direction. Otherwise your all the strokes will be visible. Part is over. I am going to take red color, and that is scarlet red. I am not taking crimson red. Crimson is in pink shade, so I don't want pink shade here. So sorry, vermilion or scarlet you can take. I am trying to fill all the white spaces. I just make one reflection of those diyas. This is not must. If you don't want to make it, don't draw it. And this is red that is about to over. Trying to fill all the white spaces. You can decide. If kids are small, they can draw only one diya. I did 3. In other picture you can see there are 5. So it's up to you. You can compose by yourself. Just trying to fill all the. When you do dark color in oil pastels, that time you need to be careful. White paper is more visible as compared to light color. And this is reflection I just drew, but it's not necessary to draw. If you want, you can do, otherwise you can leave also this thing. This time I am taking to green black color and just trying to do, and this is about to over. Just trying to finish everywhere. And thank you so much for watching, and once again wish you all a very happy Diwali. Thank you so much.